Oh my God, Apple has banned MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. It's no longer available for download in the App Store. Everyone freak out, right? That's what all Forex traders have been freaking out about since this news came out just a few days ago. And I'm here to tell you that you don't need to freak out about this. And I'm going to provide 3 different solutions for you so that way you can trade on your phone if you want to. And life can all be jolly and it can continue on as normal. So briefly what happened, then I'll show you 3 different solutions, okay? And it's just a matter of being resourceful, okay? It doesn't matter if we got some of our resources cut off, we just need to be a little bit more resourceful. So here's what happened. Basically, as you probably know, and the reason you're watching this video is because Apple has removed the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 apps from your phone. But the chances are, if you're watching this video, then you already have it downloaded to your phone. So what are you really freaking out about, right? You have it on your phone, and there are other solutions that we're gonna cover as well. Now, with that being said, it's unknown exactly what's happened, but most people seem to think that, okay, MetaQuotes, the company behind MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, originated in Russia. And as you can tell, the Russia and the US are kind of at war with each other, right? And what essentially the US is trying to do is trying to sanction Russia. Basically, if we take a look at what's happened, even companies like Apple, like for example, really big companies, they've stopped all of their business in Russia. They can no longer use Apple Pay in Russia. They stopped selling iPhones, supporting Apple products in Russia, like all of this, right? And so it's probably, this is the situation where just because it's a Russian company, they're trying to basically cut off all ties with Russia and make it really difficult for Russian companies to survive without the rest of the world, essentially is what's happening. So what do we actually do about this? So first thing that we do about this is, number 1 is stop trading on your phone, right? Like, it's not that big of a deal. I mean, I'm assuming that if you're looking at charts, you're probably looking at them on a desktop anyways. Just place the trade on your desktop as well. I mean, I think that it's a much easier way to trade anyways, unless you're on the go and stuff. And then is that really a great trading environment? Trading while you're on the go and doing other stuff? Are you really focused in on what you're doing? So my first thing is that, maybe this is time to stop trading on your phone, and it's an opportunity to switch and to actually trade on your computer where you can be a little bit more locked in, a little bit more laser focused. Would be my first thing. I know personally, I definitely like to trade on my computer. It's a lot easier. You can enter trades a lot quicker instead of having to type in all of the numbers just on your phone. So that's my first solution, is to just make a transition. You probably should do it at some point anyways, right? My second thing is that you can continue to trade on the app. Look, if you're watching this video, the chances are is that you already have it downloaded, right? You have it downloaded. That's where you're probably watching this video. So just continue to trade on the app that you have, and you'll be able to do this for a while. Unless you need to update it, then then you won't be able to. But this is another solution, is just continue to trade the way that you've been trading and stop freaking out about it. And then the third thing, if you must absolutely trade on your phone, then just go buy a used or refurbished Android phone. Look, you could go to backmarket.com and you can see you can get pretty good phones that are refurbished for like $100, right? You can see Galaxy S10e for $112, Galaxy S10 for $148. Maybe you spend $200, you get this phone, right? But all of these phones, they're pretty solid phones. If you're just using it for trading, then they'll more than do the job. The MT4 apps and MT5 apps are still available on the Google Play Store, so you will be able to download them on an Android for the time being. So how long does this take? I don't know. It takes 5 minutes. Go buy one from a store, buy one from this website right here, and you'll be back in business as normal. Hey, by the way, I recently did a study where I was studying the top 1% of Forex traders, and I found 10 commonalities among the top 1% of Forex traders. So if you'd like to become a dramatically more successful Forex trader, then follow these 10 tips in this video that I created right here on the screen.